All right, so for our last example here in 4.6, we're going to graph a secant function. And remember, secants are the inverses of cosines. So instead of having a cup shape, you're going to be kind of reflecting off the maximum and minimum points of that graph. First, let's look at our period here. Well, the period is 3. So if we have a period, or sorry, not period, the amplitude is 3. So that means we're going to need to go at least up 3. And really, you'd be going a little bit higher than that, and then down to -3. We are going to have a b value, which is 1/2. So if you remember back here, way back when, to graph one period of each of these, you go from 0 to 2 pi over b. So we're going to go, if your b is equal to 1/2, we're going to go from 0 to 2 pi divided by 1/2, which is from 0 to 4 pi. So the period is a distance of 4 pi. So we're going to go 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. And here when you put in your asymptotes, they are not, you don't have 3 asymptotes here, you actually only have 2. And so you're going to have an asymptote at pi, and then you're going to have one at 3 pi because of your undefined values. If you were to plug a pi in here, 1/2 of pi is pi over 2. Secant of pi over 2 is undefined, so that's why you need to put in your asymptotes. We're going to go up to 3, and normally we would end at 3. So if we're talking about a cosine graph, usually we'd start at 3, end at 3, go down to -3, and so this graph would go through down through here, come back up, and go through something like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at 3, and we're going to graph this part of the graph, which goes up like so. You would start over here at 4 pi, end up 3, go up like this. And down here at -3, this graph is going to go down like so. So this doesn't have any horizontal shifting or anything. You just have to start at 0. It does have a bigger period. It usually goes from 0 to 2 pi, but in this case it's going to be going from 0 to 4 pi. So you do have a bigger period here, and it will stretch out. So maybe I'll make my asymptotes a little bit bigger. There you go. So there's a pretty little, that's one period of a secant function. So I hope you enjoyed the 4.6 notes as much as I did, because man, I can't wait to teach this again next year and the year after and the year after, because you guys are going to use it so much every year of your life. Peace.